Just wanted to go over a few basic waiver management options here. I had a few questions about like how to change waiver groups and stuff like that. So we do have that easily accessible here. Right now we're in the registration tab. We're going to switch over to the waiver tab. Go ahead and click on that, and I'm going to pull up all my waivers for today. Just to show, got this group checked in. They've already been here. I went ahead and did a waiver with my own information just to show as an example here. The way to change, like let's say that Christopher, myself, is actually supposed to be in Patrick's bachelor group. All we need to do is check the box here, and that grabs basically the waiver to where I can check it in, uncheck, or change group. So I have that checked. Now I'm going to change group. And now I'm going to get a full list of my groups for the day. I'm going to go and throw that in Patrick's bachelor party and hit update. And boom, now Christopher is part of that group. I can go ahead and, check him in for today. If you screw that up, you can uncheck him for the day. Or I could even change him out of the group. For instance, if he's a walk-up player, I can choose what time he showed up if you want to keep track of that for walk-up players. So it's going to default the closest time slot to right now, which would be when we open 4 o'clock. So go and update that. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. How you can manage the waivers from your waivers tab here.